You're over 50 and you're wondering, can you do YouTube? Maybe it's too techy, or maybe it's just something younger people do. You're not alone. I had those exact same thoughts. But here's what I discovered. YouTube is hands down the best way to start making money online in 2025, especially if you're over 50. Hey, I'm Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. And over the past 2 months, I've used YouTube to make over 6 figures in my digital business. Yes, you heard that right. 6 figures. I help fellow midlifers to learn how to create income online so they have more freedom, flexibility, and options for their retirement. Today, we're diving into how you can get started with YouTube, because it's not just possible at 50 or more, it's powerful. So stick with me in this video, because I'm going to be sharing how it's not only easy to start a YouTube channel, but how you can turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. In fact, I'll break down how I grew my channel and used it to build an email list, sell a simple product, and even get paid by YouTube. So more on that in just a minute. So let's talk about something that nobody tells you. People buy from people they trust, and YouTube builds that trust factor faster than any other social media platform. Why? Because your viewers are seeing your face, hearing your voice, and connecting with your energy for a longer period of time. Even a 5-minute video can do what it takes months to build on other social media channels. When I post my first video, it felt kind of awkward, like, I'm not going to lie, because I'm here talking to nobody. But you know what? I had somebody message me and say that, I feel like I know you already. Isn't that amazing? And that's the power of video. And that's when it actually clicked for me. I didn't need to perform. I just needed to show up and be me, myself, and I. And that's what turned views into sales. Tell me, what is one thing people are always coming to you for advice or help with? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And that is a great way to start your YouTube channel, with that topic. Now, before we go any further, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel and making money, you'll definitely want to grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit. It's completely free and includes everything that I wish I knew when I started, the exact steps that I used to grow my channel. So you just want to grab that. The link is in the description below, and just save it so that you can download it after you watch this video. Second, you want to share your experience. So YouTube just isn't a place to grow. It's a business. It's a space to express who you are and what you know. Like, we didn't get to be 50 and not learn stuff, right? And when you share what you've learned through your life or your work, you attract people who need that exact thing. Like, I didn't think my experience was anything special, but when I started sharing, people found me, people from around the world who were looking for help with the same thing that I already figured out. And that kind of just blew my mind. YouTube gave me the confidence to say, hey, I've been through some things. I've learned some things over here, and it's worth sharing. The beauty of it, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the person that you're helping. There are people out there right now searching for what you already know. So let me walk you through the system that I use and how you can do it too. So step one, you need to start your channel with your story. Who are you? What do you want to talk about? What makes you unique? What experience do you have? Everyone has something to share. You could teach how to raise chickens for fun and profit. You could budget for retirement, use AI, or share mom hacks. Start by recording videos around real life experiences. And then step two, you want to offer a freebie to build your email list. Email equals income. So you want to create a simple freebie that gives your viewers a quick win. Here's some examples. Top 5 chicken breeds for eggs and income. 10 retirement budget tips. Or my freebie, the YouTube Success Starter Kit, which you can grab in the description below, by the way. And then you're going to use a platform called System.io to deliver your freebie and build relationships. Now get this, it's absolutely free to start, and it's free for up to 1,000 email subscribers. So you can run your business with this automation absolutely for free. It's amazing. You can grab your free System.io account in my description below as well. So once somebody grabs your freebie, you want to offer a small digital product. So like an ebook, a workshop, or a mini course that solves a specific problem. For going back to the chicken thing, your course is going to go more in depth about how they can raise chickens for fun and profit. You're going to teach people how to budget for retirement and walk them step by step through budgeting software and tools that you have. Things like that. Something that people are interested in buying. It's not expensive, but it's something that's going to help them because you're solving a specific problem. That email list that you're building, it's giving your customers valuable information. You're teaching them tips and strategies about what your freebie is that they've downloaded. So more about the chickens. I don't know why I got chickens on the brain. But anyways, if you're doing the chicken thing, you're going to more discuss about the breakdown of the different chickens. Why this chicken over this chicken? How big your chicken coop should be. What are the tools that you need to build your chicken coop? How much space do you need for a chicken coop? You see where I'm going? Your emails are going to start to educate your customers and then having them go to your digital product to eventually purchase from you. So this is another way that you can make an income from your YouTube channel. You're talking about something that you love. You're giving somebody a freebie. They're going into your email list. They're learning more about the information that they're wanting to learn about, and then they eventually want to buy your digital product that they can learn from. So you're helping them solve a specific problem. So your email list feeds your YouTube channel, and your YouTube channel grows your email list. It's a loop that keeps on growing, and that's the powerful way of how you use your YouTube channel to start making money. So now let's talk about like at 1,000 YouTube subscribers on your channel and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will start paying you something which is called AdSense. It's passive income just for posting videos that help. Okay, this is where it really gets exciting. So when you use YouTube and you start talking about what you love, you can get monetized. So let's check out my monetization for 90 days on my channel. And I'm not even a very big channel. I only have 11,000 subscribers. I mean, I say only, that still is an accomplishment, but still, I haven't even been doing YouTube that long. And so I have made from YouTube AdSense $5,154.10 in just the last 90 days. And that's the power of YouTube. Imagine if your channel keeps growing, which it does, then all of a sudden that number just keeps getting bigger and bigger. For every video you post, you start making money. So now YouTube is paying you to talk about your business. Isn't that amazing? Like get this, for my YouTube channel, I use my phone. I am recording right now on my iPhone 14 Pro. I also only use a lapel mic. I don't have one of those big expensive mics, so I'm not spending money on all the equipment. And I edit my videos in an app called Descript, which is, I believe, one of the best apps for editing videos that I have ever seen. I've put my Descript link below so you can check it out. They have a free plan for that as well. Now that you understand the money system, here's why it keeps working long after you hit that publish button on your YouTube video. YouTube has a user-based algorithm. That means it's designed to put your videos in front of people who are actively searching for the topics that you're talking about. Unlike other social media channels where your post disappears after a day or two, YouTube videos continue to work for you day after day and month after month. Your content becomes discoverable and searchable because Google owns YouTube, which is the highest searchable platform out there. So that one video that you posted about budgeting and retirement or training your dog, or it can keep showing up in the search results for years, bringing you in new viewers, income, while you're busy doing other things, like even sleeping or traveling or just enjoying life in general. This is what we mean by evergreen content. It's content that stays relevant and continues to provide value over time. And the more videos you create, the more digital real estate that you own. Each video becomes a tiny little worker bee buzzing away for you in the background, building your audience, growing your email list, and driving sales. So YouTube is truly the gift that keeps on giving. So if you're over 50 and you're wondering whether to finally start that YouTube channel, this is your sign, my friend. This is your time. Start simple, start with your story, and build something that can serve others and make you an income at the same time. Now, before you go, don't forget to download that free YouTube Success Starter Kit to help you on your journey. It's totally free. It's packed with all the tools and strategies to help you grow. So now that you know how YouTube can build your income and your impact, You might be asking, what's something that I can start sharing right now that people will actually pay for? In this video here, I'm going to show you the easiest digital side hustle to start in your 50s and how you can use YouTube to promote it and start earning right away. So have a watch, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.